Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to choose a template on the numbers application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the numbers application, which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the numbers application, which I see on screen. And now we have a wide variety of templates that we can choose from. Currently we run all templates. We can go to basic, finance, personal, business, education. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll just click on basic, click on blank, create. As you can see, it looks very similar to Microsoft Excel. That's because numbers is the Mac version of Excel. We can use this spreadsheet to form a calculation, create a table, and so on. So we can now quit numbers. After that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.